Oh, hello. What's going on? Oh, you guys kind of caught me at an awkward time here. I'm packing on my back. I'm ready to get out there in the world and do what I need to do. And I thought I'd make this one video here showing you guys what's in my tech backpack. As many as you know, I am a huge geek, and a lot of my content here on the channel is based around video games, but I do have another hobby, another love of mine, which is technology. I absolutely love technology. I use technology every single day of my life. So here I just wanted to showcase some of the items that I use on an everyday basis. Some may be common, some may be not, but without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right to it. So the first thing I wanted to show you guys is, of course, my backpack. I did get this backpack from my lovely girlfriend around Christmas of last year, 2017. It's probably one of my favorite backpacks that I've owned so far. But yeah, let me show you. Hold up. So as you can see here, this backpack is called the Kopack. Did get this on Amazon. It's a pretty dope backpack, pretty clean. Here's a look on the sides. It's got a little pocket there so you can stuff your water bottles. This is what it looks like on the back. It's a beautiful day out here in Las Vegas. It has a little pocket here. This pocket right here, you can actually use that for a USB charger that you can plug obviously your USB to your phone here or whatever item you want to charge up. In the very front, you're gonna have a tiny little pocket right over here. And honestly, this is kind of when I keep miscellaneous items, little pieces of paper, nothing that's too important. I don't really use that pocket all that much. Haven't found a use just yet. I think it's mainly because I don't have that many things to put in there, to be honest. Here is the second pocket. It's like the middle pocket. It's pretty cool. I do enjoy this pocket. It's a smaller one. So here's where I keep some of my cables. I keep my charging cable for my phone. I use that every single day. Very important. Of course, I have my headphones. These are the ones that go into my iPhone because obviously they don't have a headphone jack. And some of you may be wondering why there was a $20 bill in the thumbnail. Well, this is kind of a little trick that I picked up from my dad a few years ago. And he told me always keep a $20 bill on you no matter what, because you never know when you're gonna need it. Maybe you'll run out of gas, you don't have any money in your bank account, or anything could happen. A $20 bill will definitely go a long way, especially in a case of an emergency. Obviously, you're gonna wanna have more money, but $20 is all I can afford. Right over here, I got a WD. This is my passport. This is an external hard drive here. This is, I believe, a 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte hard drive. I bring this with me every single day to work because I never know when I'm gonna need it, especially when it comes to video editing on the go. This is very important. Major key, DJ Khaled. Here I have my older terabyte. Unfortunately, this one was destroyed, broken. I don't know why I still have it in my backpack, but I do have it just because, I don't know. It looks nice. I was able to get into it once. I haven't been able to again. So that's pretty much all I got in this pocket. You have another pocket here that you can put more cables. I don't have the need for more cables just yet. And then we're gonna come up to the bigger middle pocket here, which houses a few different things. We're gonna go ahead and start off with these Turtle Beach headphones. I don't remember the model, to be honest. These are quite old. These are not as good as newer models. I did buy them for about 40, 50 bucks. They're pretty good. I use them to play my Nintendo Switch since it has the headphone jack and the iPhone doesn't. So this is why I bring those, especially, these are just for gaming on the go. I usually bring a book or a comic wherever I go as well, just because, you know, if I get bored or something and I don't want to play games or I don't want to be on my phone, you know, I'm a huge nerd and I love reading comics. I think comic books are it's just my favorite art form, to be honest. And here we got X-Men Inferno. I picked this up at Zia Records here in Las Vegas, which is a record shop, a local record shop, which is pretty awesome. Got that for a few bucks. Still have not finished reading it. Next item that I have in here is, of course, my trusty Nintendo Switch with my entire game collection. I know it's a little weak, but what can you do? Here's my beautiful Nintendo Switch. Got the green Joy-Con, the red Joy-Con. This comes with the original Nintendo Switch bundle, and this comes with the Splatoon bundle, or you can buy that separately, I believe. And here, I do like this middle pocket a lot because it has a lot of little extra pockets. Here, there's a little zipper. This is where I keep my 3DS. Of course, if I want to play any Pokemon games, we got that on the go. We got that on deck. It's on point. I don't fleek. I do keep the charger as well for the 3DS in there, and I have the old AirPods, not AirPods, the Apple headphones with the headphone jack if I don't want to use the big bulky Turtle Beaches. So yeah, I got that. You always got to be prepared for any situation that might arise. And here you're gonna have you got two little extra pockets for whatever you may need, and then you got a huge pocket right here. It goes pretty deep. It's pretty awesome. I use that never. And then I got a bunch of garbage in here, a lot of papers. I'm a little messy sometimes, you know, whatever. But as I mentioned earlier, there was an external jack here to charge something with a portable charger. I'm not sure if you can see it too well, but there's a zipper right here, and that's where you can plug in that cable. The cable is somewhere in this backpack, not really sure where. Yo guys, and what I really love about this backpack, I think my favorite feature is that it does have another pocket, which is behind the straps here. I don't know if you can see it. So this is the back, and you pull the straps back or forward, whatever. And then there's a pocket that you can get into through the back, and that's where you can put your laptop, which is very important. If you're walking around and you have your backpack pocket exposed, anybody can, you know, pickpocket it. Maybe, I don't know, if you're careless, if you're not aware, someone can get into it very easily and steal your $1,000, $2,000 laptop. And we don't want that to happen, right? A really neat thing. You know, you put it on, nobody's snatching your backpack because, well, they can't get in it. And if they try to, you would notice. You would notice when somebody was trying to get into your backpack. So that's pretty much it for the backpack here. That's pretty much it for the things I carry on a day-to-day basis. Some of you may be asking, Juan, do you really carry all that stuff at once every single day? No, not really. Honestly, I don't carry my 3DS every single day with me because the Nintendo Switch, good lord, let's be honest here. What's the point of carrying a 3DS over a Nintendo Switch? There's no point. I much rather have my Switch with me than my 3DS. So most of the time I leave that here, and unless I do really have that craving to play Pokemon, which comes every single once in a while. So obviously I can't afford all these fancy tech gadgets just yet. So that's pretty much all I carry with me at the moment. There's definitely a lot of things I would like to upgrade when it comes to the things I carry with me on an everyday basis. But for now, this works for me. And if you guys are interested in any of the items I mentioned, I definitely will have them in the link below. If you have any questions in regards to the items, you know, feel free to drop a question in the comment box as well. And if you guys are not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe. We're gonna be having lots of weekly content here. And if you like this video if you like the 3DS, make sure you drop a big old like for me. I would really appreciate it. It would really help the channel grow. But with that being said, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.